The Douglas County Clerk airing her grievances with the County Board of Mental Health, Sheriff's Office, and the County Attorney over mental health hearings. I'm Hannah McElreed downtown learning more about that legal process and what can be done. County Clerk Crystal Rhodes has sent multiple letters to the Board of Mental Health. She claims her staff is being blocked from attending hearings and taking minutes. Rhodes alleges serious violations of due process and state law, according to her letter to the Douglas County Board of Mental Health from January to July this year. Only 11 out of 473 people had their court hearings within the required 7-day time frame. Rhodes says these delays deny people their rights.
You can't just accuse someone of being mentally ill and then not give them an opportunity to prove that, one, they aren't in fact mentally ill, or two, that they have been sufficiently stabilized.
But Mental Health Board member Michael McEllen says Rhodes' claims have no merit. He says hearings are confidential and often held in private treatment facilities where clerk staff aren't permitted. McEllen defends the current system, saying it prioritizes patient care.
They'd rather have a psychiatrist at an inpatient facility determine whether they should be involuntarily committed on a certain date, rather than the clerk of them.
I sat down with County Attorney Don Klein to learn more about the process. He told me multiple parties oversee these cases, including prosecutors, defense attorneys, doctors, and judges.
Everybody that appears before the Board of Mental Health has a lawyer, or they have a right to a lawyer. The board hears it, and then the courts actually oversee it.
Klein also called Rhodes' accusations about dismissing non-compliant patients misleading.
She's not a party to these cases. And what happens at the board is very confidential. So sometimes it may be continued 90 days. The person does what they're supposed to do. They voluntarily get the help that they need. They're on their meds, and the doctors say, we don't need to pursue this any further before the board. And so it's dismissed. It's as simple as that.
Rhodes is also questioning the board's rising court fees and its preference for holding hearings for continuances instead of filing written motions. At 18th and Harney, I'm Hannah McElreed, your downtown Omaha neighborhood reporter.